If you want to start dropshipping and manage your orders efficiently, creating a DSers account is the first step. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a DSers account step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your account ready to connect with your store and start importing products. First, go to the DSers website. On the home page, click on the Sign Up button to begin the process. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up using your email address or continue with Shopify if you already have a store. If you choose email, enter your email address and create a strong password. After that, check your email inbox for a verification message from DSers. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, log into DSers using your credentials. You'll be taken to the setup page. Now, select your platform. If you're using Shopify, choose Shopify and follow the prompts to connect your store. If you don't have a store yet, you can skip this step and connect it later. Next, choose a plan. DSers offers a free plan which is perfect for beginners, so you can start without any cost. After completing the setup, you'll be redirected to your DSers dashboard. This is where you can manage products, suppliers, and orders. It's also a good idea to connect your AliExpress account. Click on Authorize AliExpress account and log in so you can start importing products easily. Take some time to explore the dashboard and understand the different sections. In this tutorial, we learn how to create a DSers account by signing up, verifying your email, selecting a plan, and accessing the dashboard. This is your first step toward building a dropshipping business. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.